Hello there and welcome back to Dukascopy TV. It's Tuesday the 15th of January and here's a rundown of some of the day's biggest financial headlines. British retailers are back in focus again as the UK's largest luxury goods, Burberry, recorded a better than expected rise in third quarter underlying revenue, having benefited from a strong week in the run-up to Christmas. Burberry, which has over 200 stores across the world, says sales growth remained low across America and Europe, particularly in Italy. However, demand for luxury goods in Hong Kong and China helped boost sales growth in the Asia-Pacific region, which saw double-digit growth. On a different note, the entertainment giant HMMV announced today it is set to go into administration after 92 years in the business. Still in line with UK data, figures released today showed UK inflation holding steady at 2.7% for the third month running in December, in line with forecasts. According to the Office for National Statistics, a rise in electricity and gas prices was curbed by a fall in fuel costs and air transport. Above target inflation continues to prove a headache for Bank of England policymakers, and with the British economy still struggling to fend off a recession. Japan's economy minister took financial markets by surprise today as he warned of the impact excessive yen weakness would do to import prices. If the yen becomes too weak, import costs will jump and there would be a negative impact on people's lives. I hope it will stabilise at a level that is best for the public good. The comments triggered a correction in the strongest trend in currency markets, as official comments on policy and the currency have been weakening the yen since elections last month. A correction in euro-yen also accompanied the fall in dollar-yen. A press conference from US President Barack Obama at the White House on Monday confirmed the continued division between the two camps on raising the US debt ceiling. On the discussion of a US debt default, President Obama warned his Republican opponents of dire consequences should Congress fail to raise the debt ceiling, including haywire financial markets and a spike in interest rates for anyone who borrows money. In commodities news, platinum hit a 3-month high today after the world's top platinum producer announced it will cut production. The surge in platinum exceeded the price of gold for the first time since last March. A chief investment strategist at Citix Futures said, "Platinum is lifting the entire precious metals complex. Prices last year were aided by strikes at South African mines, and the rally may extend as a global economic recovery revives auto demand and producers continue to reduce output." I'm afraid that's all we have time for at the moment, but also on Dukascopy TV we'll be taking a look at other topics in focus today, including the collapse of entertainment chain HMMV, as well as US retail sales, Germany's growth outlook, and a look at base metals in the latest edition of Commodities Corner. That's all to look forward to today, but for the moment, viewers, goodbye.